Всем привет, меня зовут CraftyFoxe, and right now we are in Ukraine. And today we're going to be building the M2S19 Msta-S. This is a 152mm self-propelled howitzer manufactured by Ural Transmesh in the Soviet Union. It's currently being used in the Russo-Ukrainian War, mainly by Russia, but Ukraine does have some of these. And they're seen since the beginning of the days of the war where they're providing artillery support. And as you can see, these ones have the Z markings in white. There also is this anti-aircraft gun up over here, and there also is this travel lock down below here. Of course, when it's firing, they take this off, they put it down, and they aim the gun upwards and shoots long distances away. On the side, we got the side panels up, some details over here. I think these in the front, smoke grenade launchers, and then there is an antenna over here. And this part, I believe this is where you load the ammunition, and there's also a thing where you can make this stick out, I think to load up primer if you want. It's also based on the T-80 chassis, so the bottom part is kind of the same. Now, Ukraine is a deadly place for Russian military stuff, so as you can see here, this one got destroyed. This one was inspired off ones on display in Kyiv, where they show off destroyed Russian armor, and there actually is a lot of variation of this, so it's kind of hard because there's so many Msta-S destroyed. There's like open hatches over here. You can see it's burnt out, so kind of rusting orange brown color here, and you know, I added like some particles all around, and on this side the treads actually came off the wheels, and some of the wheels are missing. So that's another detail you can add. There is still some green parts over here, like on the top of the gun, and a little bit on the bottom, just to show at least those parts are intact. And one thing I've noticed when they put it on display in Kyiv, you know, instead of these heavy travel locks over here, they actually just use like these really thin cable wires. So I actually just designed this hole here, and then I brought it to Ukraine just to show what it would look like if it was destroyed on the battlefield, and later the Ukrainians will pick this up on a truck and transport it to Kyiv or whatever. And then here is just another one just to see what a formation of these would look like, something like that. It's blown up. And then we have this version here. This is just like your regular Msta-S that's pre-war. They just have numbers on the side, no Z marking. So if you just want a plain one, it should just look like this. And by the way, I've been working on some more vehicles over here. This is like the bridge layer for KAMAZ, but I don't think I will make a tutorial for this. Unless someone wants to commission it, I'll just leave it for the animation. And for the dimensions, it's 17 blocks long and 8 blocks tall. But yeah, let's get started. So for this assembly line, we just have 5 layers. So let's start with layer number 1. So first we'll add in dark prismarine slab above the ground, 3 blocks wide. And we're going to extend it to the back, so it's 8 blocks long. Then warp trapdoors 2x3 here, add one of the edges like that. And then we'll add in the wheels and the treads. So that's going to be polished blackstone brick slab, and then chiseled polished blackstone 2 here, then stairs back to back, then 3 chiseled upside down stairs in the back. The other side's pretty much the same thing, and you'll just add spruce buttons on the sides of that. Alright, next up in the front part, we can add in these post-beta lights, trapdoor in the middle, and then stairs over here, slab in the middle, stairs at the edge. In the corners, we'll add in the dark oak signs, both sides and the corners. It just said corners twice, and then dark prismarine, and we're going to make that 6 blocks long, and add in this polished blackstone button, 3 of them spaced apart. In the back, there's going to be these 2 dark prismarine slabs, and then we'll add in polished blackstone brick stairs upside down the back, and then warp signs 3 blocks wide there. And then we'll add in 3 blocks wide, upside down dark prismarine stairs inside there. And then 5 blocks wide of warp fence gates, open the ones on the outer edges. And the other side, it's pretty much the exact same thing. Alright, next up, we're going to add in the travel lock. So just add in dark prismarine slab, make a triangle shape here. A warp pressure plate, warp trapdoor, and then a spruce button, 2 of them here. A warp fence gate in the middle, open that up. Mossy cobblestone walls, 2 of them each side. Then 5 blocks wide of green terracotta. And then we'll add in this with polished diorite stairs. Make 2 L's like that. Buttons. And the back part, do it like this with a fence gate inside. Slab on the outside. And yeah, the other side, sign here, button. Alright, next layer. Finally, we'll make the gun, so we'll add in dark prismarine slab. This part's 5 blocks long. 2 trapdoors underneath here, and then 2 daylight detectors, make them blue, and then slab trapdoor on the edge. Over here, there's going to be 3 green terracottas, and then warp signs on the sides of that like that. Polished diorite stairs, corner that inside here with the dark precision stairs on the edge all the way to the back of the turret. I don't know if you can even call it a turret. And then we'll add in 3 blocks wide green terracotta, and then a wall, and then chains on the sides of that. What it looks like on this side. And then add in our dark oak fence gates for the smoke grenade launcher. Alright, then the last layer, we'll just add in these plates on top, trapdoor here, and all this detail on the very top of it. Shouldn't be too hard. And then on top, there's going to be 3 blocks tall of this iron bar for the antenna flower pot right there. And yeah, that it should be pretty much it on how to make the Msta-S in Minecraft. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.